I'm Kathy Whitler. I'm the Surgical Technology Chair. And today we're going to talk about how it's important for a surgical technologist to know temperature conversions from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. As an integral part of the surgical team, a surgical technologist must be aware at all times of their patient's body temperature. There are certain conditions that can occur intraoperatively in surgery, such as malignant hypothermia, which is a sudden rise in a patient's body temperature. And to be able to understand what that temperature reading is and how they can adjust and keep their patients safe.
Formulas are some of the most useful devices that you will find in technical math. A formula is like a short recipe or set of instructions that tell you how to get a particular answer. Now, the way formulas are set up is that the letter on the left-hand side is going to give us the answer that we seek. The letters on the right-hand side are the quantities that we have or are given to us in the problem. So in our first formula here, we can see that our answer is going to be our Fahrenheit temperature, and our given information, the information that we start with, is our Celsius temperature. In the companion formula below, we have the opposite. The second formula has the Celsius temperature as the answer and the Fahrenheit temperature as the given, what we start with.
We're looking at an anesthesia monitor. This anesthesia monitor monitors patients' vital signs, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and pulse ox. If you notice in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a number in green, 37.4. That's our patient's body temperature. What would that convert to in Fahrenheit?
Now, from the previous display, we can see that the Celsius temperature was on the readout of the monitor, and that was 37.4 degrees. We want to convert that to a Fahrenheit temperature. So, of course, we're going to use the formula F, because that's the Fahrenheit temperature that we want, equals 9/5 multiplied by the Celsius temperature, and then we add 32. To make the formula work for us, we will take out the letter C and replace that with a set of parentheses containing the 37.4, the value of the Celsius temperature. So we have our formula 9/5 times 37.4 plus 32. Now, in order to run this through your calculator, you start with your calculator and put 9 divided by 5 because a fraction means to divide. So 9 divided by 5 multiplied by 37.4 plus 32. And you can key this in all at once. When you hit equal, you should get 99.32, and that is our answer in degrees Fahrenheit. This is Professor Rigsby from John Wood Community College saying thanks for listening.